Gear up for the ultimate survival challenge. Discover the 15 coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets. Compact, clever tools built to keep you ready for any crisis. Let's dive in. Ignite your survival with the FlashTorch Mini Firestarter flashlight, a fiery beast for Doomsday triumph. This compact powerhouse delivers 2300 lumens of blinding light, illuminating 100 meters with a halogen beam that doubles as a fire starter. Its anodized aluminum body, measuring 14.5 centimeters and weighing 385 grams, withstands brutal conditions, from scorching heat to icy storms. With a 4100 mAh battery, it offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, perfect for navigating or signaling in apocalyptic darkness. The heat-resistant lens and reflector ignite tinder instantly, ensuring fire for warmth or cooking when matches fail. In a world without power, this flashlight is your dual-purpose lifeline, lighting paths and sparking survival. Its rugged design fits any bug-out bag, ready for rapid deployment. Don't stumble in the dark or freeze in chaos. Grab the FlashTorch Mini now and blaze through the end times. Light up danger, start fires, and dominate with this unstoppable survival torch. Crush Doomsday isolation with the ACR Bivy Stick, the world's smallest satellite communicator for apocalyptic survival. Weighing just 100 grams and measuring 11.4 by 4.7 centimeters, this powerhouse turns your phone into a global lifeline via the Iridium satellite network. Send two-way text messages, share GPS locations, or trigger an SOS rescue from anywhere with a Skyview. No cell signal needed. Its rugged, waterproof design laughs off harsh conditions, while the Bivvie app delivers weather updates and check-in features. With flexible data plans and no activation fees, it's built for preppers on the move. In a collapsed world where communication grids fail, the Bivvie Stick keeps you connected to allies or rescue teams. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 120 hours, ensuring reliability in prolonged crises. From remote wilderness to urban wastelands, it's your unbreakable link to safety. Don't vanish in the chaos. Grab the ACR Bivy Stick now and stay connected, trackable, and ready. Outsmart the end times with this unstoppable satellite beast. Ignite your survival with the Lifesaber, a multi-tool juggernaut for Doomsday domination. This 40-centimeter, 454-gram device combines a 1,000 lumen flashlight, 30-watt plasma fire starter, and 10,000 mAh power bank in a rugged, waterproof aluminum body. Its blinding beam pierces 200 meters of darkness, while the plasma arc ignites tinder in any weather. No fuel needed. The USB-C power bank charges devices, keeping you connected when grids fail. With a built-in survival whistle and optional water purifier, it's a prepper's dream for wilderness or urban collapse. The Lifesaber's durable design withstands extreme conditions, from torrential rain to freezing cold. In a post-apocalyptic world, it lights your path, starts fires, and powers essentials, ensuring you thrive. Don't face the end times underpowered. Grab the Lifesaber now and wield light, fire, and energy with unstoppable force. Conquer chaos, outlast danger, and rule the apocalypse with this ultimate survival weapon. Conquer contaminated waters with the Grecio water purifier, a life-saving juggernaut for Doomsday survival. This portable powerhouse uses advanced hollow fiber membrane technology to filter 99.9999% of bacteria, protozoa, and sediments from rivers or lakes, delivering up to 2,000 liters of clean water. Weighing just 250 grams and measuring 20 centimeters, it's a compact essential for any bug-out bag, perfect for wilderness treks or urban collapse. Its high flow rate ensures quick hydration, while the durable, BPA-free construction withstands rugged conditions. Simply fill, pump, and drink. No chemicals or power needed. In a post-apocalyptic world where safe water is scarce, this purifier is your ticket to survival, preventing deadly dehydration or illness. Its reusable filter and easy maintenance make it a long-term ally in chaos. Don't risk toxic water. Grab the Grecio water purifier now and secure pure, life-sustaining hydration. Outlast thirst, defy disaster, and dominate the end times with this unstoppable purification beast. Carve your survival legacy with the CRKT Hunt and Fish, a fixed-blade masterpiece for apocalyptic triumph. Designed by Larry Fisher, this 7.25-inch knife features a 2.99-inch ACR 13 MOV stainless steel drop-point blade with a satin finish, perfect for skinning game or precision tasks. Weighing just 3.6 ounces, its multicolored G10 handle offers a non-slip grip, enhanced by friction grooves for unmatched control. The full tang construction ensures relentless durability, while the premium leather sheath with horizontal carry keeps it secure yet accessible. Ideal for hunting, fishing, or camp chores, it thrives in harsh conditions, from muddy fields to frozen wastelands. In a doomsday scenario, this knife maximizes efficiency, leaving less meat in the field and more in your stores. Its elegant design honors Fisher's legacy, with profits supporting pancreatic cancer research. Don't face the end times with inferior tools. Grab the CRKT Hunt and Fish now and slice through chaos with precision. Conquer the wild, outlast the collapse, and dominate with this unstoppable hunting blade. Blaze through the apocalypse with the InstaFire survival stove, a compact firestorm for doomsday cooking. This portable biomass stove, weighing just 1.2 pounds, reaches scorching 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Burning sticks, twigs, or InstaFire fuel. No canned fuel required. Measuring 20 by 15 centimeters, it folds flat for easy storage in any bug-out bag. Its stainless steel body and battery-powered fan ensure ferocious flames in any condition, from windy mountains to urban ruins. Perfect for boiling water or cooking meals, it's your lifeline when food supplies dwindle. The stove's efficient second burn technology maximizes fuel, making every twig count in a resource-scarce world. Setup is lightning fast, keeping you fed and warm in minutes. Don't let hunger or cold defeat you. Grab the InstaFire survival stove now and cook like a warrior through the end times. Thrive in chaos, outsmart starvation, and dominate survival with this unstoppable biomass-fueled powerhouse. Power up your doomsday survival with the BIGBLUE 28-watt solar charger, an unstoppable renewable energy beast. This foldable lightweight charger boasts 4 high-efficiency solar panels, delivering 28 watts of power to juice up smartphones, tablets, or power banks in any crisis. Weighing just 600 grams and folding to 28 by 16 centimeters, it's perfect for bug-out bags or off-grid adventures. Its ETFE coating and IPX4 water resistance defy rain, dust, and rugged terrain, ensuring relentless performance. With dual USB ports and smart charging technology, it optimizes power delivery, even in low sunlight. In a post-apocalyptic world where grids collapse, this charger harnesses the sun to keep your devices alive. From navigation tools to communication gear, its durable portable design thrives in extreme conditions, making it a prepper's must-have. Don't get stranded in the dark. Grab the BIGBLUE 28-watt solar charger now and stay powered through chaos. Conquer blackouts, outlast disasters, and dominate the end times with this solar-powered titan. Blaze through the apocalypse with the Streamlight Sidewinder Compact 2, a military-grade flashlight that redefines doomsday illumination. Weighing just 68 grams, this 7.6 centimeter titan offers white, red, blue, and IR LEDs, each with high, medium, low, and strobe modes. Powered by one CR123A lithium battery included, or AA batteries, it delivers up to 47 lumens and 69 meters of beam distance. Its IPX7 waterproof rating and MIL STD HMDF durability shrug off water, shocks,
and extreme temperatures. The 185-degree tilting head and mole-compatible clip mount to helmets or gear, ensuring hands-free versatility. In a collapsed world, this light pierces darkness, signals allies, or preserves night vision with IR mode. The pull-to-turn knob prevents accidental mode shifts, while the rubber dome switch works with heavy gloves. Don't stumble in the end times. Grab the Sidewinder Compact 2 now and illuminate your survival. Conquer chaos, outshine danger, and dominate with this unstoppable, multifunctional beacon. Master the flames of Doomsday with the MAC Inc. Homura Fire Tongs, the ultimate campfire tool for apocalyptic survival. These 42-centimeter stainless steel tongs, weighing just 350 grams, feature precision-engineered teeth for a secure grip on logs or grilling food, available with elegant red urushi lacquer handles. They blend style and function, ensuring safe fire management. The robust design withstands high temperatures, perfect for rearranging burning logs or cooking in the wild. Compact enough for any bug-out bag, they're ideal for camping or post-apocalyptic fire pits. In a world without modern conveniences, these tongs keep your campfire roaring, providing warmth and sustenance. Pair with optional fire hoe or hook for enhanced control, making every fireside moment effortless. Their dishwasher-safe construction ensures easy maintenance, even in rugged conditions. Don't let chaos extinguish your fire. Grab the MAC Inc. Homura Fire Tongs now and command the flames with unmatched precision. Thrive in the end times, conquer the elements, and dominate survival with this fiery masterpiece. Breathe life into Doomsday with Boost Oxygen Natural, your portable oxygen lifeline for apocalyptic survival. This 95% pure supplemental oxygen canister, weighing just 65 grams, delivers nearly 5 times the oxygen of normal air. No prescription needed. Available in 2-liter or 10-liter sizes, it's perfect for bug-out bags, providing instant respiratory support in smoke, dust, or high-altitude chaos. Its lightweight, recyclable aluminum design fits any survival kit, with a trigger valve for easy inhalation. In a world where air quality tanks, Boost Oxygen Natural boosts stamina, mental clarity, and recovery, keeping you sharp when society crumbles. Used by athletes and preppers alike, it's safe, odorless, and tasteless, ensuring reliability in extreme conditions. From urban disasters to wilderness escapes, it's your breath of survival. Don't suffocate in the end times. Grab Boost Oxygen Natural now and power through any crisis with unstoppable vitality. Stay alert, breathe easy, and dominate the apocalypse with this essential oxygen edge. Survive any doomsday with the MYMEDIC MYFAK, the ultimate first aid fortress for apocalyptic emergencies. Packed with over 100 high-performance trauma supplies, this kit is your lifeline in chaos. Housed in a rugged nylon Cordura bag, it features a folding page design for lightning-fast access to bandages, tourniquets, and chest seals. Weighing just 1.9 pounds and measuring 5 by 6.5 by 7.5 inches, it's perfect for bug-out bags or car storage. The tearaway pouch doubles as a mini kit, while mole straps ensure versatile mounting. Ideal for camping, hiking, or home, it's HSA/FSA approved and includes a free MYRCH training course. From minor cuts to life-threatening bleeds, the MYFAK handles it all, keeping you prepared in a collapsed world. Its durable, organized design thrives in harsh conditions, ensuring you're always ready. Don't face the end times underprepared. Grab the MYMEDIC MYFAK now and conquer emergencies with unshakable confidence. Save lives, stay protected, and dominate the chaos with this unstoppable medical marvel. Slice through Doomsday with the B2 Blitz Nano Blade, a pocket-sized powerhouse for apocalyptic survival. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, this 4.2 centimeter blade weighs just 22 grams, making it the world's smallest tactical knife. Its razor-sharp edge cuts,
pries, or defends with lethal precision, while the aircraft-grade aluminum handle ensures a rock-solid grip. With a keychain-ready design and quick-release clip, it's perfect for bug-out bags or everyday carry. In a collapsed world where every tool counts, the Nano blade excels at crafting, hunting, or escaping danger. Its heat-treated durability thrives in harsh environments, from urban ruins to dense forests. The included sheath keeps it secure and accessible, ready for instant action. Don't face the end times defenseless. Grab the B2 Blitz Nano blade now and wield unmatched versatility. Cut through obstacles, outlast the chaos, and dominate survival with this tiny yet ferocious blade that redefines compact power. Seal wounds and conquer chaos with the Zip Stitch Medical Kit, a revolutionary lifesaver for doomsday emergencies. This innovative suture-free wound closure system uses medical-grade zippers to close cuts up to 4 inches long in seconds. No needles required. Weighing under 50 grams, it's compact enough for any bug-out bag. Perfect for wilderness, tactical, or urban survival. The sterile, adhesive-backed device ensures secure, pain-free closure, reducing infection risk when hospitals are gone. Its intuitive design requires no medical training, making it ideal for preppers under pressure. In a post-apocalyptic world where every injury counts, Zip Stitch saves time and lives, keeping you mission-ready. Its durable, waterproof packaging withstands harsh conditions, ensuring reliability in rain or dust. Don't let wounds stop you. Grab the Zip Stitch Medical Kit now and close the gap on danger. Stay stitched, stay alive, and dominate the end times with this game-changing medical marvel. Defy the apocalypse with the Go Time gear. Bivvie Emergency Sleeping Bag, your ultimate shield against Doomsday's wrath. This ultra-lightweight, 113-gram Bivvie is crafted from tear-resistant, heat-reflective mylar, retaining 90% of your body heat. Measuring 213 by 91 centimeters when open, it folds to a palm-sized 10 by 7 centimeters. Perfect for any bug-out bag. Its waterproof, wind-proof design protects against rain, snow, or freezing cold, while the included 120 decibel whistle signals for rescue. In a collapsed world where shelter is scarce, the Bivvie keeps you warm and hidden, ensuring survival in harsh conditions. Its reusable, rugged material withstands repeated use, from forests to urban wastelands. Don't freeze in the end times. Grab the Go Time gear, Bivvie now, and stay alive with unbreakable warmth. Outlast storms, evade danger, and conquer the chaos with this unstoppable survival cocoon. Triumph over Doomsday. Injuries with the adventure. First Aid Kit 1.0, your compact medical fortress for apocalyptic emergencies. Weighing just 283 grams and measuring 15 by 10 by 5 centimeters, this rugged nylon kit packs essentials for up to 4 people. It includes bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and blister treatments. Perfect for hiking, camping, or surviving a collapsed world. The organized, water-resistant pouch ensures quick access in high-stress scenarios, fitting any bug-out bag. Its comprehensive supplies handle cuts, burns, or sprains, keeping you mission-ready when hospitals vanish. The included first aid guide empowers even novices to act fast. Built to endure harsh conditions, this kit is your lifeline in urban or wilderness chaos. Don't let injuries derail your survival. Grab the Adventure First Aid Kit 1.0 now and face the end times with unbreakable confidence. Stay patched, stay strong, and conquer any crisis with this essential medical powerhouse. That's the 15 coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets. From fire starters to life-saving purifiers, these essentials have you covered. Stay prepared, stay safe, and build your survival kit now.